Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber, and today we are trying some new Jouer products. I have the French Riviera palette here. This is this guy. And I have their lip kit as well, so we're gonna give this a try. First, let me tell you what's on the rest of my face. Currently, I am wearing the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. I love this stuff. It is a nice light coverage. It's my skin but better, and it just evens out most of the problems I have with my skin while feeling very light and also very moisturizing. Looks like skin, but blurry, I guess. I love this stuff. I'm also using the Natasha Denona Transfix Concealer. This is actually my first time giving it a try. It's fine. It's not my favorite concealer, but it works. So got that. NYX Control Freak on my brows, just grooming them a little bit. Nothing major for this look. We're going a little bit more neutral to better complement the French Riviera aesthetic here. For highlighter, I am using the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. It is a nice little golden highlight. I am using Maybelline City Bronzer in light. I'm very pale, so this is one of the few bronzers that looks okay on me. I love it. Finally, for my cheeks, we are using this multi-stick from Milk in Work. So I'm gonna take my glasses off and we're gonna check out this palette. This is the right way up. We've got some really pretty colors here. I love Piscine right here, this nice light blue shimmer. We also have Ocean, Fleur, and Bronzage. These shimmers are very light. Don't think you're going to be getting a lot of pigment on those, so plan around that. And then we have our mattes. We have this color here, cooler bone color, honestly. We have our coral color, a nice brown. I love this olive green here, so we are going to incorporate that. I'm thinking we're gonna go for maybe a khaki look is kind of what we're gonna go with, because we have these nice colors here. And let's not try to make this palette different than it is. It is a very neutral palette with some very, very subtle pops of color amongst the shimmers. I'm gonna start with this Morphe brush here. I just bought a Morphe eye brush set. They're fine. I'm gonna start with Soleil, but we have a lot of kick up there in the pan. We're gonna start, as I usually do, we're gonna trace over my crease and make it a little higher than it actually is. This is my cat Kylie, named after Rilo Kiley, not Kylie Jenner. We're gonna do the same on the other side. Now I'm gonna go in with Sable, this olive color. Stick it right in here and bring it down. This color is very pretty. It is going on a bit patchy though. Kind of have to work it a little bit more than I'm used to for most of the shadows I buy. It's not bad. It is fixable. It just takes a little more work to blend than expected. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna take a bigger Morphe brush and I'm gonna use that to soften this a bit. Gonna take some of Soleil, that softer orange color. Yeah, there we go. It's blending a lot better now. I'm gonna go back in with this guy, and we're gonna pick up a little bit of Sable and Marie, or no, Joy. I'm gonna fade that into the darker color. Don't want it to be too pure. Other side. Not bad. So now, I'm gonna take this little liner brush. We are gonna go in with Paradise, this nice brown color. And we're gonna use this underneath. Just smudge that a little bit with my finger. I want it to look very soft. Sorry, you guys are gazing at the battery compartment here for my mirror. I don't know. I don't know where that piece is, so just gotta deal with it for now. All right. Now I want to lean into green. We're gonna take Ocean, the sparkly green, or the shimmery green here, and we're gonna tap it on. So now I'm actually gonna go back in with the liner brush, take Bronze Edge here, and we're gonna go over that brown we just lined with. Alright, so we have a nice khaki eye going on here. What do you think? Let's add the lip. Where are they? Oh no, I lost the lip products. Oops. If you were a lip product, where would you be? Gosh, I wish I had a handy dandy notebook. A clue, a clue. I found them. So, first thing, the lip liner. It's this bronzy color here. I'm not a huge fan of this color, but let's give it a go here. I already do have lip oil on. For moisture, I have some opinions, but we'll get into that in a minute. So first I'm gonna line my lips. All right, lip liner's on. Gives a slight glow to the outer area of my lip. Doesn't really show up very much. It's just kind of lustery. I don't know if you can tell. Now we are gonna do the lipstick. I am gonna swatch this on my hand. It is very sheer, it's golden. And I do find if you have any texture on your lips, this is gonna make that texture stand out really well. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on. We're gonna hope my lip oil actually moisturizes my lips enough for this stuff. And let's go. Okay, this is actually significantly better than the first time I tried to wear it. Just really make sure that your lips are moisturized before you put this on. Otherwise, it is not gonna look good. You're gonna have it clumping under bits of dry skin. It's gonna settle in your any texture you have. So make sure you are moisturizing your lips. So this is the very simple, very neutral French Riviera palette. It is, you know, do I think you need this palette? I gotta be honest, no. Nobody needs this palette. I like the theme, I thought it was pretty, and so I picked it up. I love the color story. I think the color story is great. I think if you don't have any neutrally palettes, this is not a bad one to pick up. For the price though, it is a little spendy for what you're getting. I'm not sure I would really recommend this. That said, if you do happen upon it, you get it in a sale, you pick it up at TJ Maxx, I don't know where this is gonna be in 6 months, but regardless, if you do happen upon this, I do like it. I think it's really pretty. I do like my khaki look, but it's not really giving you anything you're not gonna get in so many other palettes. As for the lip products, I don't recommend these at all, frankly. Like, it looks good now, I gotta say. It does look a lot better than it did initially when I first tried it on, but I don't need this in my life. I'm not gonna say I regret buying this stuff, because I don't. I like playing with new things, but if you're smarter with your money than me, that does not mean they're bad. I'm still excited to try other stuff from Jouer. They do seem to be a little bit more on the boring side as far as brands. They don't get a lot of hype, and well, frankly, this is why. I'm sorry, Jouer, this is not a win, even if the color story does look very pretty. Thank you for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't see many people talking about it, so let me know what you think. Do you disagree? Do you think it's better than I'm saying? Or do you think it's worse than I'm saying? I want to know your opinion. Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Please tell your friends. I have a lot of really cool stuff coming up, especially for Pride Month. Gonna be awesome. So I hope you join me for that. Thank you so much. Bye.